Hey everybody, this is Survival Deal of the Week, and the promotion I have going today is going to go on Amazon, and it's going to be the 10-in-1 Paracord fishing kit, the survival grenade, if you will. You can see it hasn't started yet. It's going to start at 2 p.m. and it's going to run for 7 days. So next Monday it is going to expire. I'm gonna put this link in the description so you should be able to click on it, and there will be a code in there as well. But let's have a look-see um, at the grenade to see if you even like it. You can see it's Amazon's choice for paracord survival kit, and carabiner clips to your belt buckle or even packs. This is about 10 feet of paracord when you unravel it, maybe even more. And once you do unravel this paracord, it's going to be tough to repackage all that stuff in there. So if you do need to paracord to lace up a boot or to tie down a tent or something like that, the tools inside here, the fishing kit inside here, is in like a little plastic case. See, so you still have your kit, but it's not going to be wrapped in paracord anymore. Here's what it's got inside: tin foil, eye knife that can also be used to scrape on the flint or to cut open a fish. Here's all your fire starter gear, swivels, floaters, weights for your fishing line. There's your fishing line with two hooks. And here's the entire contents. It's not bad for a tiny little kit. The description for the link for this deal is going to be right in the video, and it is going to be live here in about 4 hours. So be safe and good luck.